friends! It's me, Tico the Talking Toucan. Today, we're playing a super fun game, Spot the Difference, Animal Edition. Are your eyes ready for a big challenge? Let's dive in! Show Tico some love and hit that like and subscribe button. These are two identical pictures of a tiger in the forest. Look carefully. Can you spot 3 differences between these two pictures? You've got 10 seconds. Ready, set, go! These are the 3 differences in the 2 images. Did you manage to find all 3? You did? Great job! Now we will go to something a bit more challenging. This is trickier. These are 2 identical pictures of a flock of flamingos out enjoying the sun. There are 4 differences between the 2 images. Can you spot them? You've got 10 seconds. Ready, set, go! Here we go. These are the 4 differences. Did you manage to get all of them? You got it? Well done! Now we will proceed to the next challenge. Alright, Eagle Eyes. This one's for the pros. These are 2 images of group photo of different animals, and there are a total of 5 differences. Can you find all of them? This is way harder, so you've got 20 seconds. Ready, set, go! There it is, the 5 differences. Were they unable to escape your eagle eye? You found them? This is unbelievable. You really have a keen eye for details. You did an amazing job today, my little detectives. How many differences did you find? All right, my friends. Hope you have fun playing this mini-game. Please like, share this video, and subscribe to our channel to enjoy more fun animal adventures. Until then, keep exploring and Tico out.
Come on, let's play.